If you wanted to use circle to search on POCO C85, then in that case, we need to of course make sure that circle to search is enabled. Usually it is, but just to be sure, we can of course open settings, then we're going to go to home screen, and then choose system navigation, and you can make sure that the press and hold home button or the press and hold full screen indicator is set to circle to search. And in the case of gestures, the full screen indicator cannot be hidden. So after that, if you want to use circle to search, we need to press and hold our finger on the home button or the navigation bar, the indicator. And if you press and hold for like 2 seconds or so, you should be able to open this Google circle to search overlay. And you can just, for example, draw a shape around the subject that you want to search on the internet. So it looks like this, and then you get Google search results. Not only that, let me actually open Google app as an example. And in here, if you, well, not only here, but generally speaking, if you activate circle to search, then you can also just tap on a text or a person or an object that you want to look for on the internet. So it looks more or less like this. Let me actually try to there we go. It actually worked this time. So it looks like this. Maybe I can use another image, for example, like this one in here, just to show to you that it worked just fine. There we go. So we can just simply tap instead of drawing a shape around it. So there we go. And besides that, we have some additional features in circle to search as well. Let me reactivate it actually. Unfortunately, on this phone, it takes a little bit of time to actually turn it on for some reason. Alright, so if you have this layout, at the bottom, of course, we have some buttons and options. For example, this one, this music node, is used in order to search for a song. So if there is a song being played in the background somewhere, and if you want to know the title of that song, you can just simply tap over here, and then your phone will listen to the background. And if the song is detected, you will get the song title and the artist name, of course, in Google's search. Now, in here we also have the screen translation, so we can tap over here on this icon. The language is usually detected, but in case it is incorrect, then of course we can switch to something else, to another language. Then over here we can also choose the language that we want to translate to, and we have the translation. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.